President. Itu situ. Itu betul. You also got one?
No, my daughter no.
Yes, two. What? No, for three.
For one person.
No, for three. And mine is the rolling color like that.
The main rope to both sides of the tree. This is the one that hang up your hammock. Above the hammock, we have to gonna put the canopy. So even in heavy rain, you won't get wet. No, hammock basically the minimum impact camping because we don't need to cut. We cut very little at the growth or something, and we need only 2 trees to put them together. So it is easy to set up, easy to put down, and usually very small to carry. You don't have to carry all the what I call it 10 poles, whatever.
A lot cooler to sleep in there.
A lot cooler to sleep in, and you don't need any ground sheet or something like that.
You don't feel
Okay,
any
so very quick. Like you see, Teacher Hamid have done after practice, maybe about 20 minutes to set up. Adjuster tu.
The adjuster. This one the one.
Come on, okay, come on. Anyway, you know, very nice than to sleep on the hard ground. This one about total we consider, I mean, you know, all the material about 90 ringgit. All the tali, semua complete set. That's all. This one, the hammock itself is 35 ringgit. Alright. So the other thing is this one is a special tali. The webbed tali is about 8 ringgit for this set. Okay. 8 ringgit because 16 ringgit kan? Yeah.
That was about $15 or $17 a piece.
Ringgit. Yeah.
This
So you
size.
have to make it lah with the rings lah.
Buy off the hardware shop.
But with the rings?
The rings.
Also this one also
inside
Mr.
the
Hamid
ring.
has to add this inside. Ditambah. Also the ring also at the end for adjustment purposes.
Yeah.
Also can must be bought. So total lebih kurang 90 lah Min ah. 90 lah.
Ni ada ni.
Ada? Ada seekor. Tinggal bungkus lagi.
So you can do this alone or not?
Boleh. Tapi ini tolong each other senang lah. We help each other kalau tu pagi-pagi because the water it can get wet. This one is the strongest, 35 ringgit.
So ini can tahan berapa kg?
100 kg boleh.